So the topic is, how does Ifa influence decision making and problem solving in Yoruba belief system? That is the topic. And I'm sure you know that Ifa is a system of divination that we have in Yoruba land. And even Ifa is for the whole world, not only for Yorubas. So in this video, I am going to be sharing with you how Ifa influence our decision making and how Ifa solve our problems, how Ifa can solve your problems. That is what we are going to be looking at in this video. As you know that our ancestors made use of Ifa to solve their problems during their time. So Ifa can solve problems for us, and your decision making can be influenced with Ifa in a good way, not in a bad way. So that is what we'll be talking about in this video. So just